Gundam Wing grab bag reveal. Let's get into it, fam bam. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, like always, thank you for watching my videos. It's greatly appreciated to know that you are all out there and care to watch my videos. There's a lot of you watching. I love it. Let's keep it up, fam bam. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know you're all there. I love you all. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're not, hang in there. Hope it gets better for you all. This is one of the grab bags I purchased the other day at my local Value Village, and this is all the rando stuff we get in it. So it looks like we got two characters. So let's start with the one in worst repair. So here we go. His legs look good. Legs look good, just a little dusty. Just a little dusty. It's all good. Really dusty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so survey says we're missing arms. So, and not sure what one goes to what side, but we'll put that one on that arm. Are we missing something? Is that the back? Is that the front? I don't know, but I think we're doing something right. Coming together. So what next thing I see we're missing are some hands. Oh, see, we got a hand here. Boink. Okay, he's got his hand. Yeah, well, that's all the stuff for this guy, I think. I don't know. Let's move on to the other guy. We'll put him right there. Let's move on to this guy. This guy, his arm looks like it's missing. How does it go? What the heck? What the? I don't even know. I want to just go like that, but I want to say that's wrong. Because why does his other arm not look like that? Huh. Well, this obviously is the foot that we can do. Okay, so his feet are good. Okay, so what? Hand. It's a hand. It's a hand. There it is. Okay. Hands on. Oh, geez. And we broke his body. Go back on there. Sorry, I bumped the camera. This piece is supposed to go on here, but it looks like it broke. That's the little white piece there. And then that looks like it's the hand piece that somehow attaches into there somehow. I don't know. I think this guy's janked and missing some pieces. Oh, wait, there's a hand. Wait, is that a little nub? Looks like a nub. There we go. There we go. Well, it's backwards probably, but... And then we'll break his other arm. And then this piece goes on here, I'm assuming. Yes, like so. And then I don't know what the hey this piece is for. Or this piece. Oh wait, does that go there? Damn, there we go. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I don't see where it goes. Well, let's get a close up. I'm not sure his name. If you know, fam bam, comment and let us all know. It's greatly appreciated. Please and thank you. this guy. He's missing his hand. Oh well. At least we were able to kind of complete him. What does this thing do? Just makes him like a spaceship? I don't know what the hell that's supposed to help you out with, but anyway. Well, there they are. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please and thank you, everybody. It's greatly appreciated to know that you're there. I love you all. Till next time, take care.